Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 2549A. This is a saddle type aluminum threshold. Fluted sort of top, which is very typical and common, obviously. Saddle, because if you use your imagination, it looks like a saddle. This is a 9-inch wide and 1/2 inch tall version of a saddle threshold from Pemko. Let's double check that. 9-inch wide, indeed. 1/2 inch tall, that's indeed correct. This happens to be just a 6-inch sample piece for purposes of this video. This is going to be very typically, commonly used in commercial applications where you have very deep frames. You might have an unusually deep frame, and a 4, 5, or 6-inch threshold just simply doesn't make sense when you've got a 12-inch threshold. You could also have a standard threshold, like 5 3/4, and the client wants to run the threshold long along the faces of it, so you would cope the profile of the jamb actually into the threshold on both sides. That's not uncommon as well. It's also used just when you have to bridge that sort of gap. You might have an unusual sill condition. You might have an exterior set of aluminum doors with an unusually deep sill transition from one side to the other, and you need to be able to bridge that. People will also buy this because they need a custom butt-up style. They'll take and rip this down on a table saw and come up with a custom sort of length for a offset where you're going to even off, let's say, two disparate flooring conditions. Okay, so whatever the condition might be, that a 9-inch saddle type threshold suits your condition, so be it. Okay, so this is a 6-inch sample piece. This is available in several different lengths in the website, and it's also available in a dark bronze and a gold anodized as well. So it'd be 2549D, 2549G. A stands for just mill finish aluminum, as you can see. That's what it looks like as it's extruded. Okay, a couple of supports in the bottom. Now, the lengths, available on the website in several different lengths. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The first countersink out of threshold like this is going to be about 4 inches over. So if you ordered a custom length, we would locate that first countersink. Well, here there's probably going to be 2 sets of them. We'll locate that first set of countersinks at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. The logic is if you had to take a 48-inch piece and cut it down to 42-inch, you'd eliminate those countersinks and you're stuck drilling 2 more. It's not so hard drilling a hole, but sometimes drilling a countersink without the proper tool can be a challenge. So if you ordered a custom length, we'll not only locate the first countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well, and simply indicate that net length in the comment field when adding to your cart. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related, especially in commercial thresholds like this. Their specialty is very wide thresholds, every conceivable length, finish they're very good at. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line catalog and review their comprehensive offering of all things commercial and residential hardware related. And the name Pemko is really synonymous with the greatest diversity of products in the marketplace from a single company. They also make continuous geared aluminum hinges, and they also have a line of aluminum and steel sliding door track for bypass, bifold, pocket sort of applications. Any questions on the Pemko 2549A saddle type 9 by 1/2 inch commercial threshold or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.